Hey everyone, Amtrak and CSX Griffin here, and I think we're gonna have that double-headed train or some sort of on Lakeshore Limited 48. I hear him trying to warn us right now, so he should be appearing any sec. For 1 minute.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector milepost 280.0 track 2.
Yep, there he is.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector milepost 280.0 track 2. No defects. No defects. Total axle 7. 6. End of transmission. 48 on the conductor, okay on the detector. We got a clear at 280 and a clear at 270.
And there he goes. And yeah, I heard on the, yeah, and that's what I heard on the radio. I don't know what happened to 284 or something, that's the Empire service on the back there of 48. I don't know what happened to it, but at least 48 came to the rescue. And then awesome to see one of those new painted units. It's not a heritage unit. Well, it's just it's not a heritage unit. It's just one of Amtrak's new engines. And one of the new paint schemes. Awesome to see that unit. As well.